I think one of the things that I would say to women, to Black women, about our mental health and wellness is that the value of relationships and knowing that regardless of what's happening, nobody is coming for us. Nobody's coming for us to help solve our problems, that we are the ones that we've been waiting for, that we have to look for our own solutions and be willing to be vulnerable and saying, I don't know and I need help. And that we have to fight against those stigmas that society has placed on us in a deep psychological subconscious way to say that as women we don't get along, Black women don't get along, they fight against each other, they do all these things. But that we have the power to bring about sisterhood and wellness to ourselves and our community. It's so important. We don't recognize how integral our relationships are to helping to heal our own community, our sons, our daughters, our brothers, our husbands, our fathers, our uncles, our friends. It's a whole community. So again, what I would say is that we need to know that we are all that we need, and to go within before you go without. So